There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby sing on back.
Hello YouTube. I don't know if you can hear me, but yeah. I have to clean the bench because I'm going to show you something in a minute. So this is another bench cleaning video, which I always seem to do. Lots of bench cleaning videos. Never seem to do a lot of other crap lately. But now you can hear me wherever I go because I have a microphone, which seems to work everywhere. One thing I want to do is I want to make a holder for this. I want to take some of the old batteries, take them apart, chop the top off, and use them as holders for the old 18 volt things. 18 volt things. Yeah, that's what I got. I also got to finish fixing my dustpan because guess what? I lost mine. I don't know where the hell it went. And you probably know why I lost it, right? Because it's a freaking mess in here. So yeah, got some outdoor lights here I'm gonna put up. Found them in the scrap pile. Yeah, nothing like being in the scrap pile. There's my gloves. This is my paper. My architect paper. I could turn this so you could see me wandering around, but I don't know what's more boring. Watching me wander around or listening to me talk. But yeah. Baby's brand new baby here this past 2 weeks, which has been pretty cool. He's growing, he's eating, he's getting bigger. So weird, but new kid on the block. I mean, it's not weird. I mean, once you have 1, 2, 3, 4 kids, it doesn't make a difference. You just don't notice it after a while. But some weird way, it's just like. It's like they've been here before. I just got the only thing I did notice is, what do you call it? You tend to get what's that word? Muscle memory there. You kind of just like, I forgot how much of a arm strain carrying a 8-pound bowling ball is after a while. I'm just putting stuff in my endless pit of ice grips. And there. That's the way I cleaned up a space in here so I could walk, which is nice. I gotta put the new. I never know where to put sanding blocks. I never know where. I put all of these. I don't want to put in my little wood section over there. It's kind of cool because now I can stand here, talk to whoever I'm talking to on the other end of this, and upload it, and I can put stuff away. It also, it's a neat little program. The mic, I looked on their website, Lewiner, I don't know what the hell it's called. And their microphones ain't cheap, man. I paid $49 for this thing, and no word of a lie, I think I checked on their website just for like some additional, like the little earpiece I'm using to listen. And it's like $99. Like, I didn't pay $99 for this freaking thing. Somebody must have dumped it or something. But it's got a USB-C on it. You plug it. Charges pretty quick. It's not bad at all. It's not bad. Oop, there we go. Hang this up here. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. Let me adjust the camera. How many minutes I got on here? Oh, look at that. Still there? I don't know if you can hear me. Ta-da! This earpiece is weird. Also, I got water in my damn ears. Alright, water in my ears. So anyway, yeah. It's me cleaning the bench. I'll move it up a little here. Yeah, there we go. Nope. Come on. 4-minute video. The thing I'm going to work on today is this thing. I want to get this thing done. I want to cut a piece out for it. So yeah. That's my plan. I don't know if it's going to work, but it's my plan. Got 1 million pieces of these things. All the stuff for, what do you call it? Making videos. I figured out I need a few more machinist tools. A couple more, like me, just to get by. I'm not a super machinist, so I only do a few things, and I don't need a lot of tools for what I do. I mean, I'm not doing basic machining, not doing advanced work on machines, so it's like I don't need thousands of calipers and shit. I'm just cutting bolts and doing stuff like that. I don't know where the hell to put this, so I'll just leave it on the floor. Bought a tap and die set. I know it ain't gonna fit in my drawer, so. All right, that's gloves, no glove, no love. No glove, no love. There's a pair of clamps. That should give me enough space. Work on the bench here. And I know, Danny, you're gonna say, yeah, I want to see you some of those tools. Well, if I don't try and kill myself, I will use some of these tools. Anyway, I don't want a 10-minute video of me cleaning my bench. I'm gonna stop here and I'm gonna work on that little piece I need. So enjoy.